Hello friends, I'm going to make a chocolate cake today. I bought a cake mix and I'm going to read the instructions. First, you will need 1 cup of water, 1 and 2 cups of vegetable oil, which I use as melted butter, and 3 eggs. And I have all here. Let's start making it. Let's put the water little by little. Fly away, fly away. Let me pour the butter. Oh, I think this is too much. Let's mix it. Now I put it into the oven. Wait for 30 minutes and it will be as a cake. It's coming up. No. It's already 30 minutes left off the oven. The cake is finished. Let's pour the chocolate syrup onto it. Now that we pour all the chocolate everywhere, let's put some sprinkles on it. I already know this type of sprinkles. Now that we decorate it, let's put it inside the fridge so that we can cool it. Now that the cake is ready, let me cut it. I'm tried. Good. I'm tried. I want. This is my cake recipe. Bye.